Okay, so we're getting ready to go into the woods today. Got my son with me, Nick. Say hey, Nick.
Hey.
You excited about going into the woods today? Yeah. Oliver got her dog with us. He's plumb wore out already. Poor little feller. Well, it's not too much further, is it? I think it's right up through here.
Yeah,
And then we go and we want to take him to see the waterfall today. Let him see it. Maybe look for some roots or something, ain't it? You tired too? Well, we've been walking about 30 minutes, ain't we?
Yeah.
Something like that.
I know, but what's that too?
Yeah, I'm not sure what time it is. It's not too much further. I'm gonna head that way up to the tracks, and I think around that corner we cut to the right to go up to the mountains, and it should be a lot cooler up there. Yeah. You want to record?
Sure.
Okay, let's record it now. When you get done recording, you hit that. Just hit the pause button.
Yeah, guys.
I mean, it's recording now, Nick.
Yeah, we're heading up there so it won't get hot while we're walking, because it's really cool now. And when it gets hot, I think we'll be there, and then we'll be cool again because we're up in the woods. I don't know what that big thing is right there.
What?
I don't think if you could see it.
Oh, yeah.
The big white thing up right there. Yeah. Yeah, guys. I don't think it's better trap there.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Still recording?
Yeah. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I hear their dog, Oliver. And we're like super far away from home. Now I'm walking on the train tracks. See? Her car. Yeah, bigger dog. Yeah, and we're right here. See that orange thing? Dude, that's quit, Oliver. Go. Which my limbo skills are pretty good. To limbo over the gate.
Go ahead and talk. That way you don't want to record too long.
Dad.
Okay, we're going up this way to see the waterfall. We had to stop and let Oliver get some water here. Up, dropped your water here, buddy.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it back here because we're just gonna go down.
Okay, well, take you a drink first, and then anyway you can. So I'm not
It's so
sure.
muddy.
I'm not sure how far it is up here, but I don't see anything. We're digging in the woods, but you never can tell until you get up in there.
Yeah, that's so much better.
I guarantee you there's all kinds of stuff to dig up here. It looks like anyway. It don't look like nobody's been digging it.
What is it?
Huh?
What is it?
What is what?
I don't know.
I said there's all kinds of, probably all kinds of roots to dig up here. All kinds of different ones. Because it don't look like nobody's been digging up here.
Look at this tree. These olives. Or these whatever they are. They can get in trouble for this, you know?
Yeah, but who cares? Just a gas company.
Hey, this is a gas company?
Yeah, it's just a gas company road. See, there's the gas well.
I can bring this out now. Hey, this.
Yeah, just be careful. Only pull it out if you're getting ready to use it. Okay, and stick it in your pocket. Is this the waterfall? I guess this is the waterfall they was talking about. That's not very far up here, is it? Yeah, this is the waterfall. Oh, wow. It's fine. Yeah, that waterfall is pretty cool. Yeah, go ahead. Just be careful now. Nick, don't go too far out there, buddy. There you go. Oliver's wanting to go with you. Yeah, he's cooling down. Go in there and wash your face off real good. I like to get over there to the waterfall. No, see that water right there? It's too deep.
No, we can go on the side.
We might. We'll check it out. Okay, come on.
Fish.
You see some fish?
Right there?
I don't see none.
Don't you see it going down there?
Yeah, I think it does. I think Oliver's laying in the water. He is wore out, poor little feller. Nick, don't go too far out there, buddy. Yeah, that is awesome. I like that. Yeah, let's let Oliver cool down here. He's burning up. Yeah, go ahead. Just be careful. Wrong side, son. There you go. Always be careful what you're doing. Pay attention to what you're doing. There you go. If you're in the woods and you get cut, son, it's hard to find a doctor to help you out in the woods. That's why you always got to be careful. Yeah, this is awesome, man. This is pretty cool up here. That'd be cool if somebody clear all that off, take pictures and stuff. And, hell, you could have weddings, or I don't know about that, but you could take pictures up here. Somebody clear all that off. Oliver, buddy, you ready? You're plumb wore out. Okay, it's fine. It's charging. Or I mean, it's recording.
Which way does it go?
That way.
Up here?
Yeah. Look at when you talk to it.
Look at the waterfall, dude.
Make sure you're doing it straight, not be shaking it all over the place so people can see.
Is it down there?
I can't get Oliver to move.
Oliver, come on. Come here, boy. Oliver. Yeah, that's our dog, Oliver.
I thought it was going to be further up there, didn't you?
Yeah.
We'll keep walking if you want to.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep walking. I think it's farther up there. I think this is a different waterfall. I think there are two.
This is the waterfall. I'll take pictures of it.
It looks like they was on the edge. Oh, wow. Oh, this thing.
Yeah. That's a pretty good walk, wasn't it? Just a walk up here.
Oliver. Nibble.
Come on, buddy. There's the road we took right there to get up here. All the way down there. Be careful. Watch for snakes, son. Always watch for snakes. No. Yeah, we got a pretty good long walk home, too. You ready to walk back? Nick? You ready to walk back, buddy? Or you want to keep walking? Oh, I don't know. I ain't never been on this road. Oh, I see tracks here, dude. I see some deer tracks and I think dog tracks, I'm hoping. But I'm not really sure. Always look on the ground and see if you see any bear tracks or anything like that. But I'm hoping those are dog tracks instead of bear tracks. I think the bear tracks would be bigger. Always check the ground when you're out walking and stuff and see if you can see what kind of tracks.
Yeah, so you won't get hurt.
Exactly. There's some more tracks right there. Looks like deer or dog tracks. Somebody could have walked their dog up here. Yeah, it's dog tracks. Oh, that's a kind of weird track right there. That little one right there, see it? Little one.
That's a bear track.
I'm not sure what that is.
Like
Maybe a raccoon.
Looks like a dinosaur track. Is that bamboo?
No, it's water weeds.
The trail riders allowed up here?
No.
It could lead to a field down. Never know.
Wait a minute, I don't know if I... Oh, now we're recording. I had it paused. It's a good one, ain't it? Yep, there's some deer track right there.
Yeah, we did a lot since we paused it.
Yeah, we thought we was recording, but it was on pause, wasn't it?
Yeah, I don't think they got to see the waterfall.
Yeah, no, they got that part. I was talking about walking through here. I thought it was recording, but it wasn't.
Yeah, there's a
Come on,
lot
buddy.
of deer tracks.
Yeah. It looks like dog tracks and
Deer.
raccoon or something. Or he's smelling a lot of stuff, so there's definitely some kind of animal that's coming through here.
Yeah, I think he's up to something. Well, he did have some shepherd, had Foster,
Yep.
and he's a police dog.
Yeah, he's a good dog, ain't he?
Yeah, police dog.
He could be a police dog one day, maybe, but I don't want to get rid of him. I had fun going up here with you, Nick. Didn't you? Nick?
Yeah. Dude, it'd be a pain in the ass to walk back.
Ah,
Dude,
it won't be that bad.
what, 30 minutes.
It won't be that
We need
bad.
to take a shortcut.
There is no
Somebody-
shortcut.
Grab a big leaf, and slide down this hill.
Come on, Oliver. Come on, boy. Come on, boy.
Can I make a spear?
And if you want to, you can. I don't know how to do it. Maybe if we look up on YouTube and show us how to make one.
I know how to make one.
Do you?
You have to have a knife, and then keep sharpening it. And sharpen it.
Nick, don't put that in your pocket, son. So you don't get hurt, okay? We'll stop back down here at the waterfall and let him cool off and let you splash some water on your face. Come on, boy. Yeah, it's a small one, isn't it? I'd say a good hour.
Or two.
Yeah. We need to find another place we can go walking. Like maybe
Yeah.
tomorrow or something like that.
I think it takes another hour to get down there. I think it's like 7 or 8 o'clock.
No, it's still early, Nick. It's like 12 o'clock. Yeah, we're almost back out. Come on, boy. The waterfall's down here.
Here's it. Here's the waterfall.
It's down here. That's that gas well, I believe.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah. Now we gotta go down there and pass that dog, huh?
Yeah.
Oliver's wanting to eat it up.
Yeah. If we break that, I'm gonna cut it.
It ain't gonna break out.
It's a cut.
There's a lot of people with dogs up here. I've noticed.
Oh, dude, that's so soft. Man, this is so soft.
Oh, yeah.
Ew.
I can't right now, son. Yep.
Dude, this is that. Daddy thinks I lost the stuff. You
Huh?
thinks I lost the stuff. If you kind of wood,
Yep.
I bet it's really great to find this. Because it's like super soft.
Yep. Well, we're back at the waterfall again before we head home. Careful. Careful. I told you don't go out that far, son.
Yeah, thank you. That's a pink water.
Okay, you ready? I'm gonna go ahead and end this video too, okay?
Yeah.
And this concludes our video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to mine and Nick's channel here. We'll be making more videos probably every day, or at least a couple times a week. And
Yeah, and we're gonna make a Christmas Stardust video today.
I don't know about today, buddy,
Yeah, nice.
but we'll try.
Yeah,